Another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and today I'd like to show you how to make these nice good pumpkin pie or pumpkin cookies. Very delicious, very easy, and just look how they just break off, like kind of like a breadish type cookie. Very delicious. Anyways, follow along with me and I'll show you exactly how I made it. We're going to start off with half a cup of butter, Crisco butter. Then we're going to put some brown sugar in, followed by some white sugar, and we're going to combine this together. We're going to a teaspoon of vanilla extract into there, and a little bit of, or 1 egg. And then we're going to whisk this together. Next, we're going to take 1 cup of pumpkin puree. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice. Okay, now we're going to add 2 cups and a half a cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, followed by 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, and we're going to blend this together. We're going to dip the cookies. Okay, I'm going to set these in the oven for about 350 Fahrenheit for about 45 to, or until they're done. Not 45, about 20 to 15 minutes. I'll take a look at that. Look at this. Look at these right there. These are finally done in here, and they're very soft, tender. I sprinkled a little bit of sugar on them before I put them in the oven. Oh my god, that is so delicious. That's so good. Kind of like a cake almost with a cookie. Very soft and moist, very delicious. Anyways, I want to appreciate y'all for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And I want everyone to have a blessing day, y'all. See y'all next time.